Your Majesty, he who lives in the forest should not be afraid of the breaking of twigs. Why are we even having this conversation when you know what tradition demands and have decided to keep blind eyes towards it?
Ichiokon, you have spoken well. One does not wear the crown on the knees when the head is available. His Majesty's refusal to take another wife that will bear him an heir to the throne, or trying fathering a child to the queen. The tradition must be upheld at all costs.
But we must not forget that His Majesty still has 3 more seasons left for him to relinquish his throne for another, since he has failed to provide an heir to succeed him.
No one is telling him to relinquish his throne at the moment, but for him to be aware of what is coming, so that he can make hay while the sun shines.
Well, elders in council, I must have to thank you. I submit that you all spoke well, and I understand where you are coming from. The most important part of your submission is that you all heard that tradition is tradition and that it must be upheld. Now, this is me telling you this Eke market day that when the time is right, I will do the right thing. The journey to the stream does not start when the pot is filled with water. The journey starts when the pot is empty.
How did it go, my husband?
Should we not go ahead and vacate the throne for Ichiokon? I know you are surprised, but as it is, we now have limited time within which we are expected to produce an heir or lose the throne. Do you think my father will be very mad at me for losing the throne to another family?
He will be. My husband, don't you think you should find another woman to give you a child? At least you save this throne of your father.
Adolis, I love you. I love you with everything in me. And I am not going to allow you pass through the trauma of sharing me with another woman. This is not your fault. And it is equally not my fault. I know that at the appointed time, that the gods and the goddesses that are responsible for fertility, they will bless us with fruit of the womb. Ezemo, for you to be here means the gods have said something. I am now prepared to listen to it. What have they revealed?
My king, I cannot speak in the absence of the queen.
God,
my king.
Call the queen for me.
Yes, my king.
Ezemo, the queen is here. Can we hear you now?
Your Majesty, the vulture wishes that she kills what she eats. But that she denies her the right to do so.
I do not understand. Oh, we do not understand that our chi has denied us the right of sitting.
The lizard's love for a crack heart does not make her the owner.
Ezemo, just like the lizard, I won't stop nodding until the owner of the heart notices my presence. Excuse me, Your Majesty.
Ezemo, are you aware that one way or the other, you may have made the queen very angry? Now that she is gone, can you talk to me as a man in plain language? What are the gods saying?
Enough. Even the gods see sorrows in your heart. Why me? Why me? Why have the gods denied me the right to bear children for my husband? A man I have loved all my life. I thought the God sees and knows everything. They should know that I've been pure to my husband and Chiomomo, the gods of fertility. For no other man has seen my nakedness. And I didn't break my flower before gracing my husband's bed. Yet they deny me the right due for purity.
Your Highness, I do not see it as so. Please stop crying. Yeah?
But you heard him. You heard Ezemo. You heard him when he said that Adolisa, is like a lizard that likes a cracked heart. When my heart beats nothing but love, loyalty and submissiveness to my husband, the king.
Your Highness, listen. Those are his words. And every man is entitled to speak their mind, even that which the gods has put in them. But by strongly believing in the gods for a positive change, that alone can change their mind. Your Highness, please, have faith in them, just the way I am doing, please. Please stop crying. Everything will be fine.
You sure?
Yes. Please, Your Highness. Please stop crying.
Thank you.
My king.
How is she?
My king, she's currently resting in her hut. But I would suggest you go be with her, because she really needs you by her side. Well, that is if you're not busy, my king.
Your Highness, is it true that Ezemo the Great said that Adolisha can never bear you a seed?
Ezemo was only talking in riddles.
Your Majesty, is it not riddle when interpreted? Points to the fact that Adeolisa is not capable of seeing?
Ishi Okono, you are not going to speak such abominable words about my own wife. Adolisa, I am so certain that when the time is right, she is going to bear me a seed.
That is not what he means, Your Majesty.
No. Ishi Okono, can you just tell me? No, tell me what he meant. Because from the way you are sounding, you now present yourself as if you know more than me. What is your problem? I understand your concern in this year. But listen to me. I forbid you from ever referring to my wife as a barren woman. Very soon, I am sure that the God of fertility and the giver of children will bless her womb with the gift of a child.
When?
Your Majesty, when? When a child points at a particular spot, it means either the father or the mother is there. Your Majesty, seasons have passed since both of you got married. Yet, we have not been able to hear the cry of a baby from her door. Your Majesty, let me tell you, you are not getting younger. It is appropriate you have a child that will take after you when you are finally joined with your ancestors.
And Adolisa is not even looking like she can provide you with one.
Oh, that is it.
This year, this meeting has ended. I want you to leave my palace.
Your Majesty.
You heard me, and I will not want to repeat myself. I said, the meeting has ended. I need you in this year to leave my palace.
How would the king do such a thing? Sending elders of the palace out simply because they told him the truth.
Looking at the majesty. Looking at the majesty affection for the queen.
It makes me wonder if the king is in the right sense of mind.
And what do you mean by his right sense of mind?
Don't you see how he adores the queen? Even when the queen have not conceived. Talk more of losing a child.
Why would she conceive when the gods has likened her to that of a lizard who loves a crack hut?
Alright. Why would the king chase the elders out of the palace like that? It's so wrong of him.
Exactly what I'm saying. I mean, it's just so wrong. The elders...
Why are you maidens of the royal palace speaking ill of your lords when the king and queen have been nothing but kind to you? Huh?
We are sorry.
Oh, please shut up and keep your sorry to yourselves. Just wait for the queen to overhear what you have been saying. Now get back to your duty post now! All of you!
My love, you shouldn't have walked the elders out the way you did. Yes, they were right. My chi has denied me the right to conceive.
Come on, my love. Don't say that. The God of fertility cannot forget you and cannot deny you your right. You are a woman who is blessed by every definition of that word. This our union is blessed. I want you to understand that. It is blessed. And I am not going to allow anybody to bring in anything that will make you start feeling otherwise. I do not believe what the Ezemo said. And I do not believe what the elders are saying equally. I know you. You are not the lizard who has come into a hut and is in love with cracks on the wall because it is looking for a place to live. No. You are the one who is actually the owner of the hut. You are the owner of everything and you should feel very free, please.
I know, my love. But you see this cap? It's too heavy for me to wear. Chiomomo, the goddess of fertility and children, it's taking too long to remember me. And the people, they need heir to the throne.
Come. Just come. I need you to know something. The entire people of Obo here can go ahead and feel whatever they want to feel. They can go ahead and think whatever they want to think. I am not bothered. I love you, and until the end of time, you are going to remain the woman who is in the very center of my life. Please, please.
My queen, you need to rest.
My eyes have eluded me of sleep because my chi has deserted me. I long to be gathered with my ancestors because at the breaking of each day, I bring nothing but shame and disgrace to my husband, the king.
My queen, speak no such words. The day has grown too old for you to speak such words from the mother of our kingdom.
Nkemjika, do not mock me by calling me the mother of this kingdom when my womb is yet to taste the seed.
My queen, will you journey with me to see Elebua? Perhaps she might have a solution for you.
Who is Elebua?
Where you are going is good, but the end is heartbreaking.
Who are you and what do you mean?
My name is Roma. Your Highness, go and wait on the gods. Their time will soon come, and their time is the best.
What do you mean wait on the gods?
Your Highness, if she said you should wait on the gods, Highness, please.
No.
I think you should wait on the gods. Highness,
no!
Please, let's just go back to the palace.
Let's go to Elebua. Let's go and see Elebua. No, let's go. Let's go.
Yechi, have you noticed what has been going on in this palace?
My sister, I noticed. What's been happening. The palace just looks so different, like it's no longer the palace we used to know.
Did you hear what Ezemo said about the queen?
You're talking, who did not know? Who did not hear? I heard. Isn't that why the queen has been crying at all corners of the palace? Like, I feel so bad for her. She's no longer the queen we used to know. The queen that used to play, chats, and laugh with us. Look.
And the worst part is that this palace is no more lively. It looks like a graveyard. I really miss our queen.
I do.
I really miss her.
I do. Where did they even say they are going to today?
It's like elebo were hot. I overheard the queen saying elebo were hot. It's like...
Did you know what they went there for?
I don't know. She didn't tell me.
Well, as for me, I don't know why Ikemjika said we should lie to the king about it. I just pray the king does not ask. Because me, I don't know how I'm going to lie to the king.
Look at her, working with the grace of the cause. Yet, she's a dry land where the seed of human cannot be cultivated.
I hate her. Each day I set my eyes on her, I ask myself, what did exactly King see in her?
That is what I do ask myself as well. What is so special about her?
Yes, of course. Since when she entered her husband's house, God did not bless her with children.
Please, let's go.
Ladies, the queen is not in her chamber, and she is not in any of the places one expects to see her by this time in this palace. Do you have any idea where she is?
Your Highness, Dikeh and the Queen left the palace this morning.
Left the palace. Do you have any idea where they went to?
They did not say, my king.
But Dikeh told us to lie to him.
Who's the Dikeh to tell me to lie to the king? What if he finds out? I'll be the one to be punished.
Please. As a matter of fact, if people did not tell him the truth, I would have told him the truth myself. Please, let's go.
Let me have your hands. Give me anything that belongs to your husband.
Great one, what do you see?
Silence. Do not speak for her.
Great one, that stare scares me. I'll prefer you say something than stare at me this way.
All I feel for you is pity. The gods has really denied you the right of having a child for the king. That can only happen with another maiden.
I do not understand. I am confused.
My fellow elders, we cannot keep on mulling over King's insult over us. Why the problem of this land lies waiting for us?
Ichie Udensi, what do you suggest we do? Crawl back to him for another insult from him?
I never say so.
So, what exactly are you saying?
We will go and see him and let him know that the tradition of this land demands that when a sitting king fails to have an heir to succeed him until he becomes 60 years of age, the throne will be taken from him and given to another whom the gods chooses.
Yes. You have a point here. This. I've always seen the demand as useless because 60 years is such a long time for a king to have a rethink and go for another wife to give him a son.
You cannot bear a child for the king. If the king lives with another maiden, she would conceive. That also goes for you. If you lay with another man, you would conceive. Just as this water is spilled on the earth, that is how the seed of Igwe Agoma is scattered when the sacred water of purity was spilled on the earth. The earth was cursed.
What water?
Leave us. You must hurry. Leave Igwe or get him another maiden.
Why?
There is nothing you can do to bear him a seed. Absolutely nothing.
But why? Why has the gods and my chi, why have they decided to treat me this way to a man I love?
You may leave now.
I demand an answer.
Leave, I say.
It was us, the elders, that made the law. We can still amend it if the king want to have this kingdom humiliated.
I suggest you go back to him first and hear what he has to say. Then, after then, we elders will know what to do then.
That is what I am saying. We must go and see him first.
You see, going there to see him is not the problem. What if we get there and he still continue raining insults on us? Anyways, if that happens, I think we should talk to the SMO so that the SMO will reduce his years. That is exactly what I think we should do.
Now you are talking. Where is the queen?
Since she came back, she refused to come out to eat her food, my king.
Did you serve her something to eat?
Yes, my king, but she refused to eat it, my king.
Isioma, I don't know exactly what you served her, but I need you to mobilize other maidens. Prepare her favorite. Get it ready so that as soon as she steps out from her chamber, she will have something nice to eat. Am I clear on this?
Yes, Your Highness. Your Highness.
Nkanjika, I need you to start talking. Where exactly did you take my wife?
Your Highness, we went to see Elebuwa, the great seer of fertility.
Why will you take her there without my permission?
Your Highness, I am really sorry about it, but I acted out of pity. I saw the queen with tears and wailing, sorrow eating so deep into her soul. Your Highness, I just wanted to comfort her.
Okay, that comfort that made you take her to Elebuwa, did she find it? I am asking because from what I gathered, she has not eaten anything and she has not drank anything since she got back. She has actually locked herself inside her chamber. And that is why I am going to ask you, what did the Elebo say?
Your Highness, I was not close to them. Elebuwa insisted that I excuse them. But one strange thing I did hear was a sacred speed water. Yes.
Sacred speed water?
Yes, Your Highness.
What does that mean?
Greetings, Your Highness. The elders are waiting for you in the throne room.
Tell them I will be with them shortly. Sacred speed water. Elders and council, I called you here today to apologize over my attitude the last time. Honestly, from the very depth of my heart, I am sorry.
Your Highness, we do not come here to dwell on the past, but to look at what future holds. We all know that Eziemo speaks the very mind of the gods. At last, he said something concerning the queen, and we indeed here have come to ask you what your plan is.
I do not understand what you mean by my plan. My plan how?
Are you getting another wife that will get you an heir to the throne, or are we sticking to Adolise?
Well, elders and council, if this is what you mean by my plan, then I must have to tell you that I do not have any such plan. Adolisa is the wife that I have, and she remains my wife and my only wife.
Greetings, Your Highness. Should we serve your food now, Your Highness?
Where is His Highness?
He's in the throne room.
The Queen. He's with the elders.
Your Majesty, you must know that we have a tradition in this kingdom that demands the king to relinquish his throne once he's 60 years of age without a child.
Well, I am delighted you are bringing up this point. I am aware of that provision. But I am not up to 60 yet. I still have few years to get to 60. So is it not possible for you elders and council to allow Adolisa and myself these few years that we have to see what we can do to have a seat?
Your Highness, we the elders of this land, we made the tradition. We can invoke Amadioha, the god of peace, Ihechinwa, the goddess of fertility and children, and Oseforowa, the almighty creator. We can invoke 4 of them to reduce the years to 57.
Yes, since you have decided not to leave that cursed maiden you call a wife.
I feel pity for the queen, but we have made our intentions known.
You do not need to feel pity for her. If she had not made our Igwe to reject all the beautiful maidens presented to him by his late father, this wouldn't have happened.
Are we going to sit here all day to discuss this issue? Or are we going to Ezemo's shrine?
From here we are going over to the house.
What does she mean by the sacred water of sanctity? All of this is confusing. Ezemo called her the vulture that cannot eat what it kills, and the lizard that loves a crack house. And now, Elebua speak of a broken sacred water. Oh my goodness. What does she mean by that?
My daughter, you look worried. What is it?
Father, I took the king's wife to see Elebua.
And what did she say?
Father, what do you know about the sacred water of sanctity?
Sacred water of sanctity.
Yes.
The only sacred water of sanctity I know is the secret of the royal family. And what did she say happened?
Just as the water is scattered on the surface of the earth, as soon as the sacred water breaks. Yes.
Breaks. Did she say Adeolis has spilled the water?
No, Father, she didn't. But those were her exact words.
Then it can only mean one thing. The queen might have mistakenly spilled the sacred water of sanctity.
I am suspecting so too. Do not worry, my daughter. I shall provide you with the answers you seek.
Okay, Una. Thank you. Wait, I don't understand. What do you mean by the queen might have spilled the water of sanctity?
Well, I'm not so sure. But that's what it seems.
I guess I just have to wait for Father to figure this out.
Greetings, Your Majesty. The king is coming to see you.
It is Your Highness.
Your Highness.
How are you? Excuse us.
Your Majesty.
You asked to see me?
Yes. Yes, Your Majesty, I asked to see you.
What is it?
My love, my heart, the crown on my head. I pray to the gods that you give ears to my plea and hearken to the tears in my voice.
Stand. Understand? What is it? What is it that troubles you? Speak to me, and if it is something you know I can handle, consider it done.
The elders are right. My king, I am cursed. I can't give you children. See, I can't give you children that will carry your name to the next generation. Please, my king, Get another woman that will give you children.
Speak no more words. What is wrong with you? How many times are we going to discuss this same thing? I told you already. Adolisa, I love you. I love you with everything in me. And there is no way I will allow you pass through the trauma of sharing your man with another woman. Please.
My king, I know. Oh, please just do it for me.
Do what?
Get another woman.
Stop! Because I will not.
My king, please. Please.
Stop. Don't do this. Sit down. There is something I want to tell you. Just sit.
Father, I am off to the palace now.
Go well, my daughter. Always make sure you keep your ears to the ground while I look into what you told me.
Okay, Father, I will.
Your Highness, a few days ago, the elders of this land came to the shrine to table a case against you before the gods of the land.
Ezemo, I am not going to bother myself asking you the case they came to table against me. But I'm going to ask you, what did you tell them?
I turned them down and asked them to return back to their huts. But after consulting with the gods, the goddess of fertility gave in to their demands. Though I have not told the elders about this, but decided to come ask you to take another woman to preserve not just the name of your father, but also the throne of your ancestors.
Even the gods, they know I have a woman in my life. Her name is Adolisa, a woman I love with everything in me. They know that I am not going to leave her for anybody, not even for the throne. Don't go there.
Your Highness, I can truly see you're gradually becoming a fool and blinded.
What? Ezemo, I am still the king of this land, and you are going to accord me the respect that I deserve. You are going to apologize to me for calling me names right to my face. You will do that now, or you leave me with no other option than to separate your head from your body. Apologize.
Are you?
Guards!
Yes, my king.
Take this man and separate his head from his body. Go to his shrine and set it on fire. I will teach you a lesson that you will never forget.
Your Highness, please, I'm really sorry. Please pardon my insolence and spare the life of your faithful servant.
You have a problem. A problem that the gods and the goddesses of fertility can solve if they decide to solve it. That they have decided not to is their problem and not mine. I am going to forgive you for a reason best known to me. But I need you to go back to your shrine. Tell the goddess of fertility that Adolisa is my woman and that I'm not going to leave her for anything. Get out. Get out!
Thank you, Your Highness.
Go back. Let's go back. if you are here to talk to me about what Ezemo said, I will advise you not to even start. I have taken a stand on this, and there is no way I am going to change.
My king, this is family posterity. Your ancestral name is about being cut off from the face of the earth. Ezemo is right. I am cursed. I can't give you children. Please, my king, reconsider your decision. Take another woman.
Can you stop? You are not cursed. Stop saying things that you do not even know what they mean. You know me. You can always ask me anything. And you know that I can always go out of my way to please you. There is nothing I cannot do for you. You know it. But this particular demand, I will never do it.
Why? Why do you like to see me being mocked by your elders?
I will kill anyone, man, woman, child, or even spirit that will then mock you. Because your shame is my shame and your burden is my burden. Anybody who will say anything negative about you will never go free. And you know it.
My king. My king. Ezemo is right. Please, take another woman.
When did you learn to be very stubborn?
My queen, please. Please spare my life and do not demand from me that which will bring dishonor to my family's name. My queen, what would I tell my father if I eventually get pregnant? What am I going to tell him is responsible for the child?
Kemjika, His Highness has so much regard for you. That's why I chose you.
Please. Your Highness, I can't do this. Please. No, please, Your Highness.
No. If you want me to stand and wipe my tears away. Please. Kemjika, please. Kemjika, please.
Your Highness, your food is ready. I think you should come eat.
Does the river flow backwards to please anyone? Of all the men in our living history who are into the business of uprooting things, have you heard of anyone who uprooted the Iroko tree from the roots with the bare hands? Why are you attempting to do that?
Your Majesty, I am really sorry about this. I was just trying to relieve you of the troubles. I'm sorry.
Let me be very sincere with you, Nkemjika. I like you. But what happened here now must not repeat itself ever again. Because the next time it happens, I am going to punish you severely.
I am so sorry, Your Highness.
Get out of my presence, and whatever food you have served, go and eat it. Why will she do that?
My queen, please. I don't think this is going to work. The king loves you above life itself. My queen, please, let's just end this. I don't want to bring dishonor to my father's name.
Did he turn you down?
Yes, he did. And the king said that if I ever try to seduce him again, he's going to get me punished.
See, we are not giving up. I will get you into his chambers and you must do it.
My queen, please, no. That is going to be my instant death. I don't want to die. I don't want to die.
See, look at me. I will not let anything happen to you. Okay? I will put something in his food. It will make him weak. Then, he won't be able to resist your body. Please.
Guys, hope you like it.
Very nice.
Yes. I made it specially for you, your man.
Jamie.
Oh, no, Your Highness. Everything is for you. Just for you. Your Highness, I think you should try the soup. I'm
So
glad you're
nice.
enjoying yourself. Guys, eat more, please.
Everything is for me.
Yes, everything for you, Ernest. It's very soft and tender, right?
This is good.
Johannes, easy. Okay. Let me take it here. It's okay, Johannes. Easy. Johannes, easy, please. Yes, you're almost there. Oh, Johannes, you're almost there. Oh, Johannes.
Nkejika, can you start talking? What happened? How did I end up drunk? What were you doing in my chamber? To the extent that I woke up in my room without my clothes and you were there lying by my side? What happened? Speak before I unleash the guards on you.
Your Highness. She was only obeying my order.
I don't understand. Obeying your order in my chamber? What does that mean?
Kemjika, come with me.
What?
I've been wondering. I've not been seeing Nkemjika for some time now. I hope everything is okay with her.
I checked on her and it happened she has fever.
Fever?
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings. She has fever and it didn't occur to you to tell me.
I'm sorry, Your Highness. I didn't want to bother with little matter like that.
Little matter? If you fall sick and I don't check up on you, will you be happy? You lack words, right? Yet you call your fellow maid's issue minor and it needs to be overlooked.
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Go back to what you were doing. Greetings. Where is your sister in Kemjika?
She's lying down there, Your Highness.
I hope she's okay. You're burning up. Have you been attended to by any healer?
Yes, my queen. My father went out to get a physician for me.
No. Get up, follow me to the palace. Let the royal healer attend to you.
No, my queen, I don't want to work.
Let's go. Get up and follow me. Help her.
Yes, Your Highness.
Your Highness. Yes. She's with a child in her womb. Now listen. No word of this to leave this palace. Anyone that does that, I will kill and bury her family alive. Yes, Your Highness. Am I understood? Yes, Your Highness. I will take my leave now. Yes, please. Thank you.
Your Highness.
Nkemjika, I gathered you were sick. How do you feel now?
Your Highness, I feel much better. I'm getting better.
That is good. That is good to hear.
Your Highness, there's something I need to talk to you about. The reason why I was sick is because I am pregnant.
You are what?
Your Highness, I am carrying your child. I am carrying your seed.
I don't understand why will you do this to me? You have acted so irrationally to the extent that I have put a maiden in the family way.
Your Highness, I am so sorry. I did it to save your name and your father's throne.
Shut up. Shut up and stop giving excuses for your very stupid action. What is this?
Well, you do not have to be angry. The deed has been done. She bears your seed in her womb.
Now listen to me. Whatever you refer to as seed, I will never accept. Oh yes! Whatever that is growing right on the inside of her entered through the back door. And the king like me will never have anything to do with anybody that is entering through the back door. That seed, so-called seed, when finally born, will never bear my name. Just mark it.
I thought you went to the palace for treatment. What happened? What happened? What happened? Talk to me. Papa! Papa!
Yes, I'm coming.
Papa, come, Papa! What happened? Talk to me. Talk to me. What happened? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? What happened? Talk to me. Talk to me. What happened? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Why your daughter is crying?
My daughter, what are you doing here? You are supposed to be at the palace for the treatment of the queen.
Dikeh, talk to us now. We are your family. Talk to us.
Talk to me. Your father who loves you is here. What happened? What is it?
Father, I am so sorry. I am so sorry. I have brought dishonor to your loins.
My daughter, you are still confusing me. Tell me, what happened?
Father, I am with a child. The queen forced me to lay with the king. And today the palace physician confirmed that I am carrying the king's child.
Sorry. Stop crying. You'll be fine.
My daughter, this is good news. Yes. All thanks to my ancestors. You mean you are carrying the king's seed in your womb?
Yes, Father.
I am proud of you, my daughter.
No, Father, the king doesn't want anything to do with the child. He said that the child is not going to bear his name.
But why?
I don't know.
You mean the king told you all this?
But why?
No, but the king and the queen discussing it earlier in the palace.
Sorry.
It's okay, my daughter.
Sorry. You'll be fine.
Forget about
You'll be fine.
whatever the king said and what he didn't say.
You'll be fine.
But one thing is very sure. You are the most important maiden in this kingdom now. And I am solidly behind you. Wipe away your tears, my daughter. It's okay. Your father is behind you, okay? Wipe away your tears, stop crying. It's okay. It's okay,
fine.
It's okay, my daughter. Stop crying.
Elders, I believe I know why you are here.
Your Highness, Ichie Okon here brought a complaint that you had a carnal knowledge of his daughter, Njika.
Dare you? How dare you slap a maiden attending to me? Have you lost it?
Adolisa, I am going to do more. Now, stand up. Stand up and get out!
Please, my queen. My queen. I beg in the name of the gods. Let me go. Please.
Stand up and get out!